Hey guys, so we're heading to an event. This is what I'm gonna wear. So cute. Papatong lang siya on top. Ang cute talaga. Pinky, pinky. Grab some food. I'm with friends. Madam. Madam na madam. Yung event namin today is live calligraphy ng mga jeeps. Cultural event. Maganda Kasi yung pinakamaganda. Summer. Maganda Let me show you my things. The things I'll be using for today's event. Ta-da! Acrylic markers. And these are the jeeps. 3 different colors of jeep. This is the meal we bought from the cafe. So we have here. This is a clubhouse sandwich. May fries pa lang kasama. Tapos may kaya pala siya may dip. Clubhouse sandwich. I also have ice mocha.